Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to explain the different types of arrays we have in Java. So let's get started. Arrays in Java can be categorized at a high level into three types. First type is single dimensional array. Single dimensional array. Okay. Next one is two dimensional. Two dimensional array. Third one is multi-dimensional. Okay, more than two, that is multi-dimensional array. Okay, these are the different types of arrays we have in Java. But for Selenium automation, if you learn single dimensional array and two-dimensional array, that is more than enough. You don't have to learn the multi-dimensional array. So here, as part of this course that I'm covering, that is Selenium Java course, okay, as part of Selenium, when you are learning Java for Selenium, you don't have to learn the multi-dimensional arrays, guys. Okay, when you are learning the normal Java, you can learn the multi-dimensional arrays. But when you are learning Java for Selenium purpose, learning the multi-dimensional arrays is not required. So you just learn single dimensional arrays. That is also more than enough. But on top of that, you also try to learn two-dimensional arrays. Somewhere in some places, we'll try to use two-dimensional also. That's the reason we have to learn these two types of arrays. Even though there are three types of arrays in Java, but learning the single-dimensional arrays and two-dimensional arrays is enough. So what are arrays? I told you, right, already I covered in the previous session, right? If you want to store more than one value into a single variable, in Java, that is not possible. Java will give you the compiler error. It will not allow you to store more than one value. Only one value we can store into a variable. But if you want to still want to store more than one value into a single item, then that item should be an array, guys. Okay. We have to create arrays in Java so that into that array items, okay, into that array, we can store more than one value. But how to create the array, how to initialize the array, how to, access the elements of the array, I didn't cover so far. That I'm going to cover in the coming sessions. For now, there are three types of arrays, that is single dimensional, two dimensional, multi-dimensional. Okay, single dimensional arrays. So for example, if I am able to store this kind of data 9 comma 5 comma 1 comma 3 comma 7 comma 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, like this, if I am trying to store more than this kind of data into a single item in Java, we need single dimensional arrays that I'm going to cover in the coming or in the next session. Okay, after that I'll cover two dimensional arrays and that's it. Okay, two dimensional arrays and a lot of other items surrounding this single and two dimensional arrays I'm going to cover. For now, single dimensional arrays, okay, for storing this kind of data, okay, this kind of single dimensional data. To store this single dimensional data into a single item in Java, we need to create arrays, guys. Okay, without arrays, we cannot store this kind of single dimensional data, which contains more than one value into an array. Fine. So that's all for this session, guys. See you in the next session where I'm going to cover how to create initialize and access single dimensional arrays in Java. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.